the cosmic giant. You've heard of the Milky Way, you might have even heard of Andromeda, but have you ever heard of a galaxy so massive, so mind-bendingly huge, that it makes every other galaxy look like a dot on a map? Its name is IC 1101. It isn't just big, it's the undisputed heavyweight champion of the known universe. Located over 1 billion light-years away in the constellation Virgo, this galaxy is so enormous that it dwarfs our Milky Way, and then some. IC 1101 was discovered back in 1790 by William Herschel, the same guy who discovered Uranus. But even he had no idea what kind of monster he had stumbled upon. This galaxy is so far away that even light, traveling at 299,792 kilometers per second, has to journey for over 1 billion years just to reach us. Just think about that. Light that left IC 1101 before humans invented fire is just now getting here. But it's not just the distance that makes this galaxy a cosmic legend. Its sheer mass, mysterious structure, and role in the architecture of the universe have made it a favorite among astronomers and space lovers alike. IC 1101 doesn't just sit quietly in the dark, it dominates it, and what you're about to learn will make every stargazing moment feel a little more unreal.